Hey everyone, it's Professor Clark, and in this lecture, we are going to talk a little bit more about Russian grammatical gender. We've already talked a little bit about gender in the previous lecture, but let's talk about it a little bit more here. So all Russian nouns have gender, not just nouns referring to people's names, but all nouns, regardless of what they refer to, they have gender. This is like many European languages, although not like English. And if we're talking specifically about women's names are always grammatically feminine, and they're going to end in a or ya, as we saw in the previous lecture. Men's names are always grammatically masculine. If it is a full name, it's going to end in a consonant, but a nickname will often end in a or ya. But even so, it's still grammatically masculine. If it refers to a man and it's a name, it's grammatically masculine. And then another thing to be aware of is that in Russian, they use nouns of nationality. And so these are nouns that mean American, Canadian, English person, so on and so forth. And they must match the gender of the person they refer to. So they're going to come in masculine and feminine forms. So an American man is an Amerikanец, while an American woman is an Amerikanka. An Irish man is an Irlandец, and an Irish woman is an Irlandka. The only nationality that this is not true for is Russian. And so we actually use an adjective to say that someone is Russian. We say Ruski for a man and Ruskaya for a woman. So that's a very basic introduction to gender. We will talk a lot more about it in later lectures. In the meantime, go forth, read Russian, and have fun.